present perfect continuous tense. Now, present perfect continuous tense is formed by placing has, have plus been plus ing. Again, has, have, same rule as earlier we read. Okay, negative has not, have not, and affirmative into negative I have been. Now, been is added in the rule. Present perfect. Perfect means been. Been plus ing. I have been eating. I have not been eating. Interrogative into negative interrogative. Have I been eating? Have I not been eating? Right? So, coming to your classroom assignment related with present perfect continuous tense, insert since or for in the following sentences. Now, here you can see that for and since are commonly used in present perfect continuous tense to indicate the time of the beginning or the duration of the action. For the duration of the action and time of the beginning. For shows a period of time up to now, and since shows some point of time in the past. For the past we will use since. It means from that point to the time of speaking. For 4 days, months, years, for a long time, since 7 a.m., since morning, right? So, insert since or for in the following sentences. What have you been doing dash yesterday? What have you been doing since yesterday? According to yesterday, in the past we will use since. She has been living here dash the last 7 years. Now it shows time, okay, period of time up to now. Then we will use for. She has been living here for the last 7 years. So you can try it by your own. B part, use the following words or phrases to frame sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Again you will write it according to the rules. Has, have plus been plus ing. I not work very hard. I have not been working very hard. Rest of the sentences you can try it by yourself. Okay. C part, complete the following dialogue by using the present perfect continuous form of the verbs in the brackets. So you will complete these dialogues according to the rule. Okay. What? You haven't finished your homework. What dash since morning? What have you been doing since morning? Have you been doing? You is here. Have you and been according to the rule, and doing. In this way you can complete it by own. And now the next exercise related with present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. According to the rules, again you will do it. Okay. Rewrite the following sentences by using the verbs in the brackets in the present perfect continuous or present perfect. Jimmy dash tennis since he was 10. Jimmy has been playing tennis. According to Jimmy, we will use has. He won 4 national championships so far. He has won 4 national championships so far. In this way you can complete the rest ones. Coming to B part, tick the sentences which are grammatically correct and cross if it is not correct, and you will correct it and write here. Have you feed the dog? It is wrong. Have you fed the dog according to the rule? Okay. According to present perfect, verb third form will come. So feed is an error here. Fed the dog. Have you been to a movie this week? This is correct. They have been living here for 1970. They have been living here since 1970. So rest of the sentences you will try it by yourself. C part, complete the following dialogue by using, again you will write according to the rules, okay, and complete it. Last D part of this exercise, complete the following sentences by inserting since or for. You will write since or for in these sentences. The gardener has been digging that corner of the lawn dash morning. Since morning. Again, according to the rules, since shows some point of time in the past, okay, when the action began and continues till the time of speaking. Lena has been trying to complete this experiment since last week. The boys have been playing football for 2 hours now. So in this way you can complete these all by on. Now simple past tense. So when we are talking about past, okay, we will use verb second form. The second form of the verb is used to represent simple past tense, and negative did not, and for negative sentences we will use did not. Interrogative, did I, did he. I wrote a letter. I did not write a letter, not wrote a letter. I did not write. And with did not we will use first form. Did I write a letter? Did I not write a letter? Right? So read out the rules and examples by on. Coming to the classroom assignment 58. Raman and I will play tennis together. Raman and I played tennis together. Simple past, we will use verb second form. She has not forgiven me. She did not forgive me. Now has not is wrong here. We will change it into simple past. Okay, she did not forgive me. Are they going to church? Did they go to church? Rewrite the following sentences in the negative. Now you will use did not and write here. Try it by yourself. And again in the interrogative sentences, we missed the bus. Did we miss the bus? She broke her leg in an accident. Did she break her leg in an accident? Okay, with did we will use first form of verb. D part, rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative. Remember, when you remove did, use past tense, second form of the verb. Did he sleep in the outhouse? Yes, he slept in the outhouse. You did not break the glass, you broke the glass. Okay, in this way you can complete it by on. E part, put tick if it is correct, and wrong you will put cross. The patient was slept peacefully. It's a wrong. The patient slept peacefully. According to the simple past tense, we will write cross. Mother kept the keys with her. It's correct. The saint did said his prayer. It's wrong. The saint said his prayers. Put the verb into the correct form, negative or positive, to complete the following. Okay, now it's according to the sentences you will change it into negative or positive. I was in a hurry, so I dash time to phone you. I had no time to phone you. Or you can write I did not have. It was funny, but no one laughed. The door was open and a snake entered the room. According to the simple past, entered. Rest of the sentences you will try by your own.